My name is David Roque, and I started getting into the painting industry about 15 years ago. I got into fixing and flipping homes, and I got into the construction trade, and ended up falling in love with painting. I had a older brother who was a painter, and he would kind of mentor me and even yell at me when I'd make some mistakes. And, like, use your drop cloth, you know, and trying to get a straight lines. I wanted to just do everything perfect. And it's like, no, we got to hurry up. And I'm like, wow. So I ended up going to university. I got a master's degree in chemistry, and going into chemistry and the painting, it just fascinates me. There is so much chemistry that is involved in painting that I didn't realize until more I thought about it. I have a passion as a chemist, and I have a passion as a painter, and now I guess I can add a title as an inventor. As painters, we're just always having to think about problems and how to resolve them, because, as you know, no job is the same.
That's right.
You're always going to learn something. I'm from San Diego, born and raised in California, so I haven't left the state. Married, raised three boys with the one and only business partner right now that I have is my beautiful wife. So she's the one that has been my biggest cheerleader. And when there is doubt, when I figured, I don't know, I was doubting myself, I was second guessing myself. She was the one that continued to push me and light that fire, and just gave me the inspiration to continue with the creation of the 180 tape holder. Because definitely getting a product to market and whatnot is a lot of work, and having her as part of my team, I really can't say how much I really needed it. And this also, the customers that are, and the feedback I'm getting, it's making a difference. So that means a lot.
So all you painters watching right now know that you can do it. If you've got a crazy idea, a brilliant idea, you too can do exactly what David did. And if you
Yeah,
need advice, call him. Call David. Here, we'll put his
yeah,
number on there. And you can call
yeah,
him, you can email him, you can ask questions. I'm sure he'd be happy to help you navigate through the discovery of creating something from nothing. Because that's
yeah.
exactly what you've done, David. You created
Yeah,
something from an idea. Now, quickly mention before the show, you mentioned to me the trigger that thought of this tape idea, 180 tape holder. Maybe briefly say that again to the viewers, because I thought it was a brilliant idea.
yeah. The whole idea about when during the pandemic, everybody was trying to be clean and germ free and protecting themselves, and I'm, masking, and I'm on a ladder, and I'm having the tape, and I ended up, you know, doing this, and I figured this can't be good for me. There's just got to be so many germs and whatnot. So um, that is kind of the thought process that helped me and inspired me to continue to come up with the 180 tape holder.